our e-learning class. Children, as you know already, we were completed the first lesson, right? So, in today's class, we are going to start the new chapter. Shall we check which is the new chapter today? Okay, so please open your index page. There we will check which is the new chapter. Okay, so this is your index page. So already completed the first lesson, right? So after that, which lesson is there? Yes, you are right. The lesson second is air. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the air. Understand? So children, you can tell me, air is present everywhere, children? How you are telling air is present in the atmosphere? Have you seen the air? No, we can't see the air, but we can feel it, right? So children, okay children, which are the basic needs of human being? Yes, obviously you were right. Water, food, clothes, house, and most importantly, air is the basic need of human being, right? So fresh air is very important to breathe, right? So what is air? Do you know the meaning of air, children? Don't know? Okay. So please open your textbook on page number 150 because I am going to read the lesson. Okay. So first we will read the lesson. After we will discuss about the meaning of air. What are the properties of air? How can we feel air in the different ways that we are going to learn. Okay. So please open your textbook. Have you opened the textbook lesson? Air. Air is everywhere. We breathe air. It is necessary for life. We cannot see air. We cannot touch air. But we can feel air. So, classroom activity. After that, we will discuss about that. So, next we move on to the moving air is called wind. It blows in one direction at a time. When the wind blows gently, it is called breeze. When there is a strong wind, it is called a storm. A storm is very harmful. It uproots trees and poles everywhere. Air occupies space. First one is, take a balloon and a glass. Put the balloon inside the glass. Can you put it inside easily? Second one, now blow air into the balloon and make it as big as you can. Try to put it in the glass again. Can you put it inside the glass? This tells us that air occupies space. Next, air has weight. First one is, lift a football. Feel its weight. Second one is, now let the air pass out of the football. Again, try to feel its weight. What do you observe? This tells us that air has weight. Okay, children, turn the page. Air is necessary for burning. Classroom activity is there here. So, about that air is necessary for burning, that related they given the one classroom activity. Okay, after that, the candles. The candle goes off when it is covered by a glass. This tells us that air is necessary for burning. Okay, so this we will do in the next class. So next, uses of air. Air is useful to us in the following ways. First one is, we need fresh air to breathe. Second one is, all plants and animals need air to live. Third one is, moving air enables us to sail boats and ships. Fourth one is, hot air balloons, aeroplanes and helicopters make us of air to fly. Fifth one is, we fill air in cycle and car tires. Okay, so this is your lesson. Now I am going to write the interesting words which are given in the textbook. So must and should you can underline those words, children. Okay, are you ready? So be ready with your pencil. Okay, children, let's read the interesting words. Interesting words. First one is breathe. Second one is necessary. Third one is wind. Fourth one is gently. Fifth one is breeze. Sixth one is storm. Seventh one is occupies. Eighth one is wait. Ninth one is observe. 10th one is burning. Okay, so these are the interesting words you can practice in your home. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the presence of air. Okay, so what is the meaning of air? How it is? How can we find out the presence of the air? So in how can we feel the air in the atmosphere in the different ways that we are going to discuss now. Okay children. See children, already you know that, already you learned which are the basic needs of human beings and all living things, right? So which are those? They are water, food, house, right? And also air, right? So these are the basic needs of all the living things and also human beings. So children, water we are seeing, right, in the different sources. Food we are seeing. We are eating the different kinds of foods. We are seeing the different types of house and also we are living in that, right? So children, have you seen the air children? No, we can't see that. But surely we can feel it. Okay, so we can feel the air in the different ways. Okay, but and also children, we can't see the air, we can't touch the air, but we can feel it in the different ways. So which are the ways or which activities are tells about the presence of the air? Do you know children? Don't know? Okay, just so now you can watch the video, then your understanding air is present in the atmosphere. That tells you the air is present in the atmosphere. Okay? Children, observe the leaves of the tree rustle and they are shaking, right? So next, the cloths are hanging on a cloths line. They are sway. It means they are moving forward and backward. Okay, so next is the pages of an open book begin fluttering and it means they are moving forward or else they are going backward and it's making the sound also. So this is all possible by the moving air. Okay. Have you seen the video? So now you understand, right? Air is everywhere. Air is present in the atmosphere that we can find out in the different ways. Understand? So then tell me children, what is air? Do you know? So children, meaning of air RS definition of the air is a mixture of many different gases and dust particles. Okay, air is a mixture of many different gases. It means, see, in the air there is a oxygen, there is a nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Like that, so many gases are included and also it has a dust particles. Okay, so when the air is blows and that time what you are doing? Yes, suddenly we closing our eyes because of dust particles are coming right near to the our eyes, right? So air is a mixture of many different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Okay, so like that gases are included in the air and also dust particles. Okay, now you understand the meaning of air, right? So air we cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel it. Already you know that. In the how can we feel the air? How you are saying I felt air is present in the atmosphere? Do you know? So for this, shall we do one activity? Okay. So children, have you seen the Japanese fan? In your last class, the ma'am will do that craft in the craft, right? So like that you can do one Japanese fan like this. Okay, so just take the Japanese fan and you can do it like that. What you experienced? Yes, you are facing the air, right? In front of your face, the air is blowing. So like that, we can felt the presence of the air. Okay, so children, we felt the air is present in the atmosphere. So in the different ways we can feel it. Okay, okay children. We want to feel the presence of the air, it means, so we can feel in the different ways. Which are the different ways we can use and we can feel the air, it means, the first one is wind. Okay, so what is wind? It means moving air is called wind. Okay, moving air is called wind. So children, this wind blows at a one direction. Okay, this moving air is blows in a one direction or a single direction. Okay, so for example, you can take you are playing the shuttlecock, right? So then you beat the cock, it means it is going to in front of that, right? So when that boy beat that, it means then it is coming your side, right? So the cock is tells about the directions, right? So it is tells about the way in which direction the wind is blowing, right? So with the help of the cock we can tells the direction of the wind. So here moving air is called wind. It blows at a single direction, children. Understand? And you are playing the shuttlecock, right? So that is the best example for the wind. Okay. Okay. So next one is breeze. When the wind blows gently, it is called breeze. So when the wind blows gently, slowly, so that is called breeze. Okay. So you can remember children, in Saturday you are going to do the exercises, right? When you come to the school, on that time on Saturday you are doing the exercise, right? So in early morning you are doing the exercises. It means on that time the wind is blowing slowly, gently it is blowing. Then how do you are feeling? Yes, you are feeling very cold, right? So that is called the breeze. Okay, so next one is storm. Okay, the strong wind is called storm. It is a strong wind. It is not blowing slowly. It is blowing very fastly. Okay, and very strongly it is blowing in the atmosphere. So it is very harmful. The strong wind is there na, the storm is there na, it is very harmful. Okay, so how it is harmful? It uproots trees and poles everywhere. Okay, it uproots trees and poles everywhere. It means when the storm is blowing in the atmosphere, on that time the storm, it is taken going with trees and also poles. See, in the TV there is one ad is there about the perfume. Okay, so the wind is blowing very strongly, but that boy he spray that perfume, right? So that perfume smell is not going. Now you remember na? So when the wind strongly it blows, on that time it uproots the trees and poles everywhere. See, sometimes you are seeing in the atmosphere when is rain coming, that before the wind is blowing, right? On that time papers, plastics, they are flying in the air. Now you remember, right? So like that wind, strong wind is called storm. Okay, sometimes you are seeing in the TV, when the strong wind blows, on that time trees are fallen down on the earth, right? The poles are coming upside. Okay, and sheets, iron sheets are flying in the air. Means ತಗಡುಗಳು, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋಂಥ ತಗಡುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. alva. So like that it is very harmful, okay, because of it is a strong wind. It blows very strongly and very fastly it is blowing. That's why this is very harmful to us, okay. The strong wind is called storm, okay. When the wind is blowing gently slowly, that is called breeze. When just air is moving, that is called wind, okay. So like that we can feel the presence of the air, okay. We can feel the presence of the air in the three types, okay. First one is wind, second is breeze, third one is storm. So now you understand, children. So what is the meaning of air? How can we find out the air presence of the air in the atmosphere? So in which ways we can feel the air, right? So what we discussed in today's class, I hope you understand very well. So now we can go to check the classroom activity, okay. So children, in your textbook there is one classroom activity. So here is there, okay. What they given in the classroom activity, it means let us make a Japanese paper fan as shown in the picture. Wave the fan in front of your face. Do you feel the air? This tells us that we can feel air. So children, what they are telling, it means in your home you can make the Japanese paper fan, okay. So and you can wave the fan in front of your face, then you are feeling air is present, okay. RS. So when you switch on the fan, okay, table fan, that time you are felt in front of your face the wind, the air is blowing, okay, the air is moving, then also you can feeling air is present, okay. So when you are switch on the fan, so then also you are going to feel the presence of the air, okay. So this activity you can do in your home itself. So I hope you understand what we discussed in today's class. In the next class we are going to discuss about the what are the properties of air, okay. How many properties are there in the air, okay. So that we can going to discuss with the different experiments, okay children. Until you can read the lesson, you can practice the meanings of air and different ways, okay. So